In the heart of Africa's freshwater habitats lies a remarkable creature of African sharptooth catfish, or Clarias gariepinus. With its long, slender body and wide mouth adorned with whisker-like barbels, the African catfish is a master of its aquatic domain. Found throughout sub-Saharan Africa, Clarias gariepinus thrives in a variety of habitats, from slow-moving rivers to stagnant ponds rich in vegetation, and as a voracious predator and opportunistic feeder, the African catfish plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of its aquatic ecosystem. Recognized for its fast growth rate and adaptability, Clarias gariepinus is an important species in aquaculture, providing a valuable source of food and income for communities across Africa. Beyond its ecological and economic importance, the African catfish holds a special place in the cultural heritage of many African communities, where it is celebrated as a symbol of abundance and sustenance. From its humble origins in Africa's freshwater habitats to its role in sustaining communities and ecosystems, the African sharptooth catfish, Clarias gariepinus, is a true marvel of nature. Let's explore the rich tapestry of African cuisine, where flavors dance and ingredients sing. Today, we embark on a culinary journey to discover the versatility and deliciousness of Clarias gariepinus, the African sharptooth catfish. In West Africa, it's a star ingredient in hearty pepper soups, warming the soul with its spicy broth. In East Africa, it takes center stage in fragrant stews, harmonizing with tomatoes, onions, and spices to create a symphony of flavors. Across Nigeria, it's a symbol of celebration, gracing tables with its presence in dishes like catfish pepper soup and rich stews. In Central Africa, it's cherished for its versatility, whether smoked, dried, or simmered in savory soups. But the influence of Clarias gariepinus extends far beyond Africa's borders. In global fusion kitchens, it becomes a canvas for creativity as chefs reimagine classic dishes with a touch of African flair. So, whether you're in the heart of Africa or halfway around the world, let the flavors of Clarias gariepinus transport you on a culinary adventure like no other. Join us as we celebrate the richness and diversity of African cuisine. Because when it comes to food, there are no boundaries, only endless possibilities and unforgettable flavors.
As usual, we are in the farm.
I didn't know that one.
Then background was like, man. You can see the shushu. See me. We are
I
here.
didn't get that much flavor.
You didn't?
Let me also take one, then you will understand.
I give you another bite.
This
Cover
shushu.
right in.